Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe, doing good. So as you can see, I have not done my makeup at all because in this video we're gonna try Korean natural makeup look. Yeah, I'm gonna do this makeup for the first time, but I feel that it might not be that tough because I've seen a lot of videos, so their eye makeup is quite similar in all the videos I've watched yet. Their eye makeup is like kind of nude, so that's not that much tricky. So let's see how it goes, how it looks on me. Also, I don't have the tape, or else I would have done the tape thing also. They stick tapes on both the side to make their chin look like, to make their this part look more oval. So I don't have tape and it's locked down, so can't help it. Video. So first I'm gonna apply this Mamaearth face serum. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this and then apply it all over my face. Okay, this feels so good. I swear guys, you need to try this feels so good. After applying the face serum, I am gonna apply a primer. This is my favorite primer. I don't use primers much, but this one is my favorite. So this is from Faces Canada. I don't know why I apply things like kind of making a polka dot kind of a thing. I applied that ways. I don't know why, but it's okay. So a primer is also done. I've seen in a lot of Korean makeups they make their skin tone really light. I don't have any such kind of foundation which makes my face look really white and light. So gonna work out with the foundation that I have already. So let's apply the concealer. So the concealer is blended. Now we'll be moving on to the foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to use Fit Me foundation. I've taken the foundation on this sponge and then I'm going to apply it all over my face using this only. Now we'll just use some translucent powder to set all these. I'm using Miss Claire translucent powder. So now that our base is already completely set, we'll be moving on to the eye base. I am using Kiko Milani eye base. I like using products like this on my fingertip and then using because it's more comfortable for me. everything gets in place, we will do our eyebrows. For eyebrows, I am taking Miss Claire this waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade 05. This pencil is so after the eyebrows, we are gonna move on to the blush. So for blush, I'm gonna take this palette from this is Sivana Colors Ultra Metal Eyes and Contour palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. So I am gonna take this shade. This is, I don't know if you're able to see, this is a light pink kind of a shade. They do really light makeup, light eyes, and then cheeks also. So I'm gonna pick this shade up. So guys, for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply a nude shade first, but a little shiny nude shade, and then on top of that I'm going to apply a lighter shade, peachy kind of shade. So this is the nude shade, this is a little shiny, this is the shade which I'm going to apply right now. Okay, so now with the same brush, I am going to apply this shade on my eyes. Finally, our eyes are done. I'm just gonna clean these. So now that our eyeshadow is done, we're gonna apply some mascara, and then our eyes will be done. You can apply some white color this thing kajal also, but I don't want to apply. I'm just gonna apply a mascara. Mascara is done. Now let's apply some highlighter. Okay, so I have applied the highlighter also. So we'll come to the last thing, which is lips. So for lips, I'm gonna apply this Faces Canada lipstick, which is in pink color. Now I am gonna take some powder and just dab it over. If you want, you can take the extra lipstick out using a paper or a tissue and keep it between your lips and take it out. I really like this makeup, guys. You can see it looks really cute, fresh, and a little bit of natural also. So let me know if you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it as much as you can. Till then, bye bye, see you in my next one.